should be fun.
All right, folks. So have you ever heard of Jamaican twanging?
Twanging?
Yeah.
Like they go over airport?
Yeah, I have a friend who go to airport and say, you know, I ain't come back in.
It doesn't come back in over here.
Yeah, but him never even go up on the plane there. So it's always interesting. So we want...
Sometimes you just catch out of you on about to get a little fever.
Yeah. And he didn't come back in, to be honest.
You were not come back in?
No,
he went to the way?
Yeah, so we went
Forever?
to the streets to get our smile jammers twanging.
Oh.
What's this? This should be fun.
Hey y'all, I am a proud New Yorker.
This is my American accent. I'm doing this live on TVJ, straight up.
What's up, blood? You good? American accent. What about me, friend? You alright?
What? Okay? What? You good?
Yo, me friend, you alright? When you are come give me a link? When? Tomorrow? Alright, okay then.
Yo, bro, how you doing, Auntie? I'm here, passing through. Mr. Man, you're looking good.
Oh. Hello, how are you today?
Hi, hello, Simone, what's up?
Hi, Nevi Bell, I love you so much, baby. Oh, Jesus, what I ever say, Nevi, I love you.
Well, this is my American accent.
Oh, no.
You know, I just come in front of the brother, you know, I don't like how the country running there. You know, it's not moving the right way. It's like everything turned upside down. I don't understand.
How are you? This is my American accent.
Born and bred in London, so I guess I have a London accent. I'm not really Cockney or anything, but I don't know, my accent is kind of just average, if that even makes sense.
You're doing fine. How's the heat out here?
Oh, it's hot today.
That's some British. Hello, how are you? I am from Jamaica. No, that's still South Africa.
Yeah, you want a cup of tea? You want a cup of drink? You want a liquor? You want something to drink?
Tom, it's so hot in Jamaica. I just want to go home. Oh my God.
Hi, Neville. How are you? I want to meet you. When is that going to be? Love you. Mwah.
They don't know me, man. They don't know me.
People, my people, my people, my people. Empress, you know, we love you, my people.
What's up, mate? You okay, mate? You straight?
I'm just hanging out here.
I'm drinking some lemonade, yeah.
This is my Britain accent, you know. I'm from Britain, so, you know, I speak very deep, you know. And look if you can even understand what I'm saying right now, you know.
Hello, would you like a cup of tea?
Be careful, oh.
Yes, Papa.
And don't forget the receipt, oh.
Papa, in case if you get there and maybe we do not meet the man, should we pay the money into the bank so that the man will go back and collect the money from the bank?
I am from Mozambique, Africa. My tribe is the #1 tribe in the world.
Hello, how are you? I am from Africa. I'm not from Jamaica.
Come over here, people. We have some nice goods sailing. We sailing so very cheap. We sell for 2, 3, 4, and 5. No. Lady have to look clean and nice. We are here today.
How are you, my friends? How are you? You okay?
Bellissimo.
Oh!
Yeah, kill me, man. Me a Jamaican, man. I send them as me born.
This is my British accent.
Would you like the man?
British accent?
A British abscess.
We were talking about the dentist this morning. We can't get out of the
Okay. All right. Well, we lied because we said we weren't come back in, but we did come back in.
That was rather.
Okay, then.
It was interesting. Can you do any accents, Neville?
I can.
Let's hear your Canadian, because you know you used to live in Canada. So
yeah, but I used to live in Toronto.
Toronto.
Yeah.
See, that's how you know that you were really there.
Yeah, because I live in Toronto.
Canadians don't use the T. In Toronto, they say
Toronto.
Okay, so say something.
There's something else about, I would say, Connecticut, but Americans don't.
Connecticut.
They say Connecticut. They say Connecticut.
Yes.
But in Jamaica, we say, I was born in Connecticut.
No, we don't.
So where were we born?
The
Connecticut?
place is called Connecticut.
Yeah,
not Connecticut. But it's, no, but, Connecticut.
Right.
Americans say Connecticut because, you know, but it's not Connecticut in regular standard parlance.
I was in Brooklyn once. I was looking for Nostrand Avenue. So I pulled up beside this guy and I said, can you tell me where Nostrand Avenue? And he said, you want to go to Nostrand Avenue? Well, here's what you do, brother. So, yeah, I really love it.
Yeah, yeah.
I love a black American accent. I kind of love it. But there you go. So we kind of just mash up every accent a while ago, by the way.
It was fantastic.
Yeah, but
I loved it.
We mash up every single one. So we're going to go for a break now.
Yeah.
And then what's going to happen after that?
After the break, we're going to have the news with Raquel. Is Raquel back?
This is somebody I hear you to, the accent thing.
Well, I see some ladies who are interested in you. Which one did you like? The one with the haircut or the one with the...